Hello, this is my memory game code. Um, this is the splash screen. Just very simple with the button class imported. Um, this is a timer down here. I made that by making a count variable and a time variable, and the count variable just increments every frame, and the time variable increments when the remainder divided by 60 is 0 because it's 60 frames per second. And there's an issue where the second number is not showing up, but if you print line it, it is the right number. So I don't know if that's just a con problem, but like I just put the time in the text, so there shouldn't be a problem writing it out. And then there's num tries. That was already a variable, so it wasn't very hard. And yeah, I made all new pictures, and yeah, that's pretty much it.